Hey guys, today I'm making lamb pot roast. In a pot on high heat, add in your oil and butter and allow the butter to melt slightly. Then add in your fresh thyme, cinnamon stick and whole garlic. Fry it for a few seconds, then add in your onion and allow the onions to fry till golden brown, stirring it occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn. When the onions are brown, give it a mix and add in your meat as well as some salt and pepper. Mix it well and allow the meat to brown on both sides. Add in some water whenever necessary and allow the meat to cook till soft. This should take about 30 to 40 minutes. When the meat is soft, add in your vegetables. I'm using potatoes, sweet potatoes and carrots. Mix it well and allow it to cook till the vegetables have softened. When the potatoes are soft and everything starts to catch to the bottom of the pot lightly, it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!